Alright, what's going on guys? T Torres back here for another video. I have a very exciting video for you today, and of course it does involve the Type R. But before we get started with the Type R, I just want to let y'all know this has been one heck of a project. I'm doing the EGR Y-bridge on the LMM Duramax, and I want to give a big shout out to Corey and Matt for helping me. We're almost done. We've got one piece of the actual Y-bridge that is out, and then we're going to put the rest of it in together, but that has been consuming a lot of my time, so I wanted to take some time today and make this video. So one of the big things that I want to talk about is I reached out to some people across the pond, as they want to call it, out here in the UK, and they sent me a little package. So let's see what we got. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Alright, so as you can see, this is the Honda Civic Type R FK8 Arch Guards installation guide. So one of the big things that always bothered me about the Civic Type R was there's no rock guards from the factory. So let me take off the tripod. I noticed, like, almost immediately from me driving off the lot, I could just hear ting 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 ting. I could just hear rocks after rocks after rocks getting hit, you know, due to having the, you know, wide tire 20-inch rim. And so you know all of this is just going to get eaten up with rocks, gravel, dirt, and sand. So I was like, there's got to be something out there that we can put in place to help with that. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing these rock guards from Arch Guards, and then they give you a little instruction sheet. I don't imagine this is going to take about 5 minutes or so. But with that being said, I do want to show some support to all my FK8 fans out there that have, you know, recently, you know, subscribed to the channel, followed me on Instagram. I'm going to be giving away, I actually have 2 sets of these, and I'll go over in a little bit what all they offer. Different colors. They offer true carbon. I went with the fake carbon. So I do have an entire another set here to give away. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, comment down below, and I want you to type in hashtag Arch Guards, okay? And then I'll have a link down in the description to their Instagram. Make sure you go follow them, and I will announce the winner for the rock guards in the next video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna do exactly what it says to do. So it says turn the steering wheel to the full lock to the side that you wanna fit. So with that being said, we're going to do the driver's side, so let's go ahead and get that wheel turned all the way out. Alright, the next step that you want to do is you want to locate these 3 screws right here. There's one here, and one here. Go ahead and take your Phillips head screwdriver, and let's go ahead and remove those 3 screws. Should be a super simple task. Just make sure the side that you are wanting to install the guard on, you have the wheel full lock to that side. There's 1, there's 2, and then here comes 3. And then what you want to do is, once you have all the 3 screws removed, you're going to want to pull this back and then clean out any excess dirt, dust, or debris that you have in there. I'm going to take a microfiber cloth and get in there and clean everything out, so we have a nice and clean surface. And plus, there is a lot of gunk already back in here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's a lot of debris already behind that little splash guard. Okay, got my little microfiber cloth. Go back in here gently, wipe all the dirt and debris off. As you can see, it was pretty filthy back there. Alright, so we have all the bolts removed. We have the surface clean. These are universal. This can go on the left side or right side, it doesn't matter. So go ahead and line up your holes. And I'm going to start with the top one. If I can get it started. Okay. Voila. That one's in. Just gonna get it started just a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Very simple, just like that. And then obviously we're gonna do the same thing with the bottom one. This should literally only be like maybe a 5-minute job. Okay, get everything tight. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. And like I mentioned, I'm gonna show you up on the screen the different colors that they have on their Facebook site. They have some really cool ones. They do have authentic actual carbon fiber, like an R edition and so forth. Like I said, for the time being and for what they had in stock, I wanted to go with the fake carbon. I think that looks freaking awesome. That is definitely going to catch a lot of debris and rocks. I wish the lighting was better in here, but as you can see, it's definitely going to get the job done. So let me go ahead and get the passenger side done. All right, we got a little bit different lighting in here. Got the garage shut. Just want to give you guys another look at what the actual guard is going to look like on your Type R. Yeah, that's freaking sweet. That looks amazing. Oh man, that is such a beautiful, beautiful sight to see. Still can't believe this is my car. Okay, just like we did on the other side. Locate your 3 screws. Pull the splash guard back. Clean off the surface. As you can see, it was pretty dirty also. Okay, get this situated. Get your first hole started. Just like so. Get it started. And you're gonna do the same thing with this hole. And then last but not least, I didn't have to film this. Like I said, it probably would have took 5 minutes aside. Then of course, go ahead and get everything nice and tight. Okay, be sure to not over tighten. But you'll know when it starts getting nice and snug. And there you have it. All right, guys, there you have it. The new arch guards are now installed. Big shout out to Arch Guards from the UK for sending these out. These guys are also going to be they're also going to have some rear rock guards that are going to be coming for the rear. So make sure you stay tuned. That's why I asked for the giveaway. You make sure you follow them on Instagram so you'll know when the rears come out. And you bet your bottom dollar I'm gonna get them. Yeah, no more rocks hitting up on that side right there and damaging all that stuff. All right, if you guys are interested in winning this set that I have here in my hand, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You comment down below on the video and say hashtag ArchGuards. Make sure you leave this video a like and then go follow their Instagram. I will have the link in the description to the Instagram, so make sure you go follow them, and I will pick the winner in the next video. Free shipping. These are going to be yours to a FK owner. Make sure you guys comment down below and tell me what you guys think about these guards. And of course, you know, on my social media, I will be giving reviews upon after, daily driving the car with it. And yeah, I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and head over to the Facebook page so I can show you guys all the different colors that they have available. All right, so as you can see right here, on their actual Facebook page, we're going to go to photos, and I'm going to show you all the different color options they have. So as you can see, the very first one, they have a red edition called Satin Red. They have 100% real carbon fiber one, and then they have the Satin Black. And then they have the R edition that has the red stripe that matches the pinstripe, and then they have the fake carbon, imitation carbon, which is the one I have and that I absolutely love. And then there's all the colors laid out and the prices and such. So make sure you go check out their Facebook page. All right, so as you guys just saw, there are several different options you can get. I went with the synthetic fake carbon just because that's the only thing that was really available in stock that they could send to me soon. So with that being said, you guys know what to do to enter the competition or the giveaway. in order to win your free set. Like I mentioned, in my next video, I will be announcing the winner. So I want to give a big shout out to my friends that I've now made in the UK. Thank you guys so much for sending this product out, and I'm glad I was able to do a giveaway, and hopefully we can grow together and make this thing happen. So if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch y'all in the next video. We got some exciting things coming for the Type R. Peace.